110 miles an hour is 110 miles an hour, whether you're intoxicated or not. And an accident at that speed is going to cause death and destruction the same way it did in this situation, regardless of Mr. Brent's level of intoxication. So I think he's making a great point trying to get the jury to understand that this was an accident. This was somebody that was driving too fast, perhaps recklessly as he was driving, but it didn't necessarily have anything to do with his level of intoxication.
It seems to me, you've done this a lot more than I've sat in and watched, but the blood alcohol draw, it's going to come down to whether jurors think that's legit or not, don't you? I mean, that's what it's going to come down to.
It's tough evidence. Blood alcohol evidence is very difficult. Most people would think that when the needle goes in the arm and the blood comes directly out of the person, it's a pretty accurate reading. But I know today they went after some of the state's experts and how they tested the blood, whether it was stored properly, whether it was when it was taken out of him, whether it was put in the tubes in the right way.
And we know that's standard. We know that's but jurors don't, right?
Correct.
Any one of those things might be important to them. They used magic marker instead of pen. I mean,
sure.
Anything might be important.
Anything might be important to somehow try to tarnish or contaminate the sample that they took to create reasonable doubt.